In this footage, 3 Ukrainian infantry personnel were neutralized by a Russian fiber-optic Baba Yaga drone. The operation highlights the use of specialized unmanned systems for precise engagement of enemy personnel on the battlefield. In this footage, a Russian fiber-optic FPV drone conducted a precision strike on a group of 7 Ukrainian armed forces infantry personnel taking shelter inside a damaged hangar in the Kupansk direction. The operation demonstrates the ability of unmanned systems to detect and engage enemy forces even when concealed within structures, highlighting the tactical impact of drone reconnaissance and strike capabilities on the battlefield. New footage shows a Ukrainian soldier making a rapid escape from a Russian FPV drone. The soldier zigzagged while running to confuse the operator, successfully evading the drone and avoiding engagement. The clip highlights both the speed and maneuverability of personnel under threat from unmanned systems, as well as the limitations of FPV drones when targets move unpredictably. On December 25, 2025, during a reconnaissance operation, a Russian attack drone detected 3 Ukrainian infantrymen moving along a route. Although the soldiers heard the drone approaching, they chose to retreat, attempting to evade detection and engagement. The footage highlights the constant surveillance pressure posed by unmanned systems and the defensive measures taken by personnel in contested areas. In this footage, a Russian fiber-optic FPV drone struck a Ukrainian armed forces pickup truck as infantry personnel were attempting to disembark in the Kupansk direction. The engagement demonstrates the precision of drone strikes against moving targets and highlights their role in disrupting enemy maneuvers on the battlefield. New footage shows a Russian FPV drone successfully intercepting and destroying a Ukrainian FPV drone that was conducting an attack run against a Russian vehicle. The clip demonstrates the defensive and counter-drone capabilities of unmanned systems in modern combat, highlighting their role in protecting assets from aerial threats. On December 24, 2025, near Novoalexandrivka, FPV drone crews from the Rubicon Center successfully destroyed a Ukrainian Armed Forces L-119 howitzer. The strike demonstrates the precision and effectiveness of unmanned aerial operations in neutralizing artillery assets and reducing enemy firepower on the front line. December 21, 2025. Northern paratroopers disabled a truck transporting Ukrainian Armed Forces personnel near Nikolaevka. Reconnaissance units from the 51st Regiment observed and assessed the reaction of a Ukrainian soldier positioned in the rear of the vehicle. Russian operators disabled the Ukrainian engineering unit's operations, destroying 1 excavator in the process. A vehicle transporting Ukrainian forces during an attack on Russian positions south of Kupansk was first disabled by a mine and subsequently struck by air assets. December 23, 2025. In this footage, while repelling a counterattack by the 6th Army, Ukrainian penal units continue to sustain significant losses near the approaches to Kupansk. In the Osinovo area, another group of Ukrainian fighters was neutralized. 1 individual attempted to advance across a railway bridge but was intercepted before completing the maneuver, demonstrating the effectiveness of well-positioned defenses and continuous monitoring along key approaches. In this footage, Russian fiber-optic drones targeted a Ukrainian Zuzana self-propelled howitzer near the village of Shevchenko. The strike highlights the use of precision drone operations to neutralize artillery systems and disrupt enemy fire capabilities on the battlefield. Why are these soldiers exposed in the open, standing in an area without cover or protection? The drone operator made a decisive move, and the engagement occurred. Shortly after, a second FPV drone arrived and located the same group of soldiers once again. During a morning patrol, a UAV successfully targeted a lone militant hiding in a garage, leaving no opportunity to return fire. In this footage, Russian fiber-optic drones destroyed a Ukrainian CV-90 armored vehicle and engaged Ukrainian soldiers in the Sumy direction. The operation demonstrates the precision and effectiveness of unmanned systems in targeting both armored assets and personnel to disrupt enemy operations. On December 22, 2025, in the settlement of Konstantinovka, an FPV drone operator from the Rubicon Center detected and struck a Ukrainian forces vehicle. A serviceman behind the wheel, visibly distressed, recorded the moment of impact, confirming the strike. The Kharkiv region, the Frodo crew of Russia's 68th Motorized Infantry Division, part of the Leningrad Military District, has earned a reputation as one of the division's most lethal and efficient strike teams. Footage from recent operations shows the crew executing ambushes with ruthless precision, using terrain advantage and coordinated firepower to intercept Ukrainian armed forces convoys. Cargo trucks and armored vehicles are caught in kill zones, destroyed before they can react. The Frodo crew operates like a well-oiled machine, silent, deliberate, and merciless. Their tactics combine traditional infantry discipline with modern battlefield intelligence, making them a nightmare for advancing units. Ukrainian troops caught in their path face overwhelming force and almost no chance to respond. In this area, the Frodo crew doesn't just fight. They dominate, turning every encounter into a demonstration of tactical brutality. In a forested sector, FPV drone crews from the Sever Group conducted a targeted operation against Ukrainian armored vehicles. The engagement focused on Western-supplied equipment, and as a result of the precise and coordinated strikes, a German Leopard 2 tank in Ukrainian service was destroyed by fire. Russian forces have recaptured the settlement of Zarek-Noy in the Zaporizhia region, according to the Telegram channel Voin TV, GV Vostok. The operation underscores ongoing advances in the area and the consolidation of control over previously contested locations. December 22, 2025, a Russian drone captured the moment a Ukrainian soldier fell from the back of a pickup truck, narrowly escaping harm. However, those remaining inside the vehicle were less fortunate, and the truck was subsequently destroyed. December 22, 2025, a Russian drone operator detected 2 Ukrainian soldiers moving across open terrain. The soldiers were wearing camouflage but remained exposed in the open area. A fiber optic drone, positioned on the road, activated immediately upon detecting a Ukrainian soldier, initiating a rapid strike. Russian forces subsequently engaged and neutralized the targeted personnel, demonstrating the effectiveness of integrated drone operations in frontline combat. The UAV unit of the 41st Separate Airborne Brigade, part of the 44th Army Corps, detected a camouflaged Ukrainian wheeled artillery piece in a forested area of the Khark region. Using a fiber optic FPV drone, they tracked and destroyed the target with precision. A Ukrainian soldier ran out onto the road from the trees, where a standby mode drone quickly caught up with him. This took place in Pokrovsk. Shortly after, 2 other Ukrainian soldiers who arrived to evacuate the wounded man also became targets of the same Russian standby drone. The Russian armed forces destroyed a Ukrainian PVD position in the Sankovo settlement using an LMUR strike, eliminating the guided missile site in a single hit. Additionally, Russian air forces targeted the deployment point of the Ukrainian Armed Forces 38th Brigade in NORAD with a FAB bomb, destroying it completely. A Russian fiber optic drone destroyed a Ukrainian Armed Forces Grad MLRS multiple rocket launcher system. After several precise strikes, both the truck and the launcher were completely destroyed. Drone operators from the 16th Special Forces unit struck a pickup truck near the village of Yampol in the Krasnoarmysk direction. Don't forget to share your thoughts about the video in the comments. Subscribe and leave a like. The Russian Ministry of Defense has released extensive footage showcasing the operations of FPV drones in active combat scenarios. The video provides a detailed look at how these unmanned systems are integrated into battlefield operations, highlighting their versatility in both reconnaissance and strike roles. The footage illustrates FPV drone crews conducting surveillance over contested areas, identifying enemy positions, and coordinating precision strikes against a range of targets, including armored vehicles, artillery systems, and infantry concentrations. Operators are shown maneuvering the drones with high accuracy, often in challenging terrain and under countermeasures, demonstrating the tactical advantages of these systems in modern warfare. In addition to offensive capabilities, the material also emphasizes the drone's reconnaissance value. By providing real-time aerial observation, FPV drones allow commanders to track enemy movements, anticipate maneuvers, and direct both artillery and ground units more effectively. This integration of unmanned systems enhances situational awareness and contributes to the rapid execution of combined arms operations. The released footage underscores the growing role of FPV drones in contemporary military engagements, showing how their speed, maneuverability, and precision strike capability can influence frontline dynamics, degrade enemy combat effectiveness, and support the operational objectives of Russian forces across multiple theaters. It also highlights the importance of training, coordination, and technological integration in maximizing the impact of unmanned aerial platforms on the battlefield. Russian FPV drones have carried out targeted strikes on Ukrainian vehicles, communication equipment, and unmanned systems in the Donbas region. The operations demonstrate the use of high-speed, precision drones to disrupt enemy mobility, degrade command and control capabilities, and neutralize aerial reconnaissance assets. These engagements highlight the tactical value of FPV drones in modern combat, allowing forces to conduct surveillance and execute strikes with minimal exposure while maintaining pressure on opposing units across multiple sectors.